Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to protect your Microsoft Word document with password. So let's get straight into it. Now first what you're going to do obviously is open up your Word file that you want to protect. Now what you're going to do is head over here to the file at the top left corner, File tab right here, and click on it. Now this will show up. So what you're going to do now, you will click on info here on the left hand sidebar, and now you will see here some few options. So we are going to click on protect document, this one which usually has a lock icon. Then what you're going to do is click on it, and now we will select encrypt with password. So from this drop down menu we will select encrypt with password, just like that, and right over here you will see that it adds us an password. So let's put it in something like that and click OK. So now we have selected the password. We just need to confirm it again. OK, and just like that we have now added a password for this file. So if we want to open this file, we will need a password for it. So what you need to be careful about is basically Microsoft cannot recover your password if you forget it. So if it's lost, you lose access to the file permanently. So be careful with that. And yeah, so I hope okay, what I can do here also, check out the next video, which is how we can remove a password here. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.